What to do, dog? It's your boy Big E. Back again like the light bill. What we got on deck today? Let's got a little breakfast mukbang for you. McDonald's. Ba, 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 ba. I got 2 egg McMuffins. Sausage egg McMuffins. HASHBROWN. Favorite orange hot seat. Try to get a feel of this deliciousness. Wait. You new to the channel, hit the subscribe. Please hit subscribe. Support your boy. And if you've been here before, welcome back. You know, glad to see you. Hit the like button for me. It's time to grow. Help me grow. Help me grow. It don't cost a bite to help me grow. But anyway, you're gonna say grace and get to it. The drinks in a minute, bless Jesus, and we pray. We thank you for all things. Amen. 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 Yeah, I want the first bite. You know, I've been 3 days. What's that I've been up to? Man, what's up? Me? Ooh. Just living life, man. COVID strikes again. My best friend parents had it. Well, got it. His daddy had it. He was it's a real pain. He was denying to go to the hospital. His mama was on oxygen. Things like that. What? Yeah. She was on oxygen, and I think 60%. But anyway, they had recovered like his daddy tested negative, but his mama tested positive again. So she back in the hospital. Prayers for her. You know. This COVID just, it's like we woke up in the twilight zone. I say this all the time, but that's how I feel. Like an alternate reality for real. But yeah, she tested positive again, and she back in the hospital on COVID for Baptist. I asked them about her breathing. They say her breathing good, but she got memory loss and bad headaches and body pain. So, like I said, prayers for her. Like, that was an influence in my life, like my auntie was. Not as big as influence of my auntie, of course, but big enough. I think I knew them since I was in 8th grade. About the vaccine, Seen a 48-year-old woman die from COVID after 12 days of having it. And she was fully vaccinated. Man, I just don't know. I seen one dude in my comments say it's gonna be like the flu. You know, you got the flu shot. Said we're gonna have to get the COVID shot in here. So it made some sense, you know. But it's a little different because it's, I mean, I'm sure the flu first hit the scene, it was killing people too. But it's like consistently killing people. And it's the modern times, right? It's our medicine and doctors supposed to be smarter and all that, right? I mean, I don't know. Y'all tell me. I don't know. That's the perception. I ain't giving y'all none of those. But I just feel like, what's the point in taking a shot if it's not effective? I know they running these numbers, you know. It's another story for another day, but it's hard to trust the government, man. The United States, them folks be lying. Like, them numbers, how true are the numbers? How accurate are they? Like, I know a lot of people die. I've noticed. I'm talking about the numbers as far as the effectiveness of the vaccine. I seen one study that said you're 99% effective not to be hospitalized or death. It kind of blew me a little bit, right? Like, how is it 90? I don't know, y'all. I still might take it. I don't know. But it's taking it out of fear. That's what I don't want to do. I don't want to take it out of fear. I want to take it because it worked. It's effective. That's strawberry jam too, y'all. But other than that, me just working. A lot of things been happening. I'm trying to get your boy to commit murder, man. I'm telling you. I'm just pray about it. I'm a nice guy. But you piss me off, you know what I'm saying? You asking for it, you know, I'm nice. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please. I'm trying to tell my gangster. Don't do that. But other than that, your boy about to be monetized. Excuse me, yeah. About to be monetized. It's been a long time coming. I'm talking about the boy been grinding. I know I took a couple hiatuses though, you know. So, it is what it is. But still, it's that time, you know. I want to thank y'all. I need y'all to turn me up though, for real. If you didn't know, I'm off today, you know. I might throw y'all 2 videos today. This right here just because we dropped the kids out of school. Maxwell wanted the girl. Maxwell too. What's up? Want to say hi? Come say hi. Come on. So what's up? Yeah. He wanted a McGriddle this morning. And we dropped the kids off. Got him a McGriddle. I was like, well, I just do a MUKBANG. And here you go. But as you can see, I'm almost done with breakfast. I had stopped eating McDonald's breakfast for a minute. Cause the dude I was working with, every morning, he was an older guy. Every morning, he like, I need to get a biscuit, man. Go get a biscuit, I'm hungry. I'm out. He wanted McDonald's every day. I got so tired of McDonald's. Man. I guess he did too eventually because he wanted to start going to Burger King. And I don't like Burger King for breakfast. I like it lunch. I don't like it breakfast. But I'm telling y'all, stay tuned. Consistent E coming. Consistent C, consistent E, you know. It's coming. I need to show y'all my water bottle. It's not the coldest. And y'all coldest water bottle. I'm not a top tier MUKBANger, you know. I ain't got no coldest water bottle. Y'all turn me to one though. It's on y'all. Y'all watch who y'all like. Y'all like me? It's okay. I understand. You're not the first and definitely won't be the last. But yeah, it's over there. I ain't gonna go get it. I'll show you next video. But anyway, man, I hope y'all have a good day. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay out the way. Be careful on the roads. When you went and drop the kids off, we come back 10 minutes later, maybe 15 till we start at McDonald's. Bad car wreck. I'm talking about like head-on collision type, like, and you know what I'm saying. I was in a wreck last December. I had three of the 4 kids in the car with me, you know. Dramatic. Traumatic. But yeah, y'all be safe out there. Stay blessed, man. And, I'll see y'all next time, man.